your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. I love you more with every breath, truly, madly, deeply do. I will be strong, I will be faithful. I'm counting on a new beginning, a reason for living, a deeper meaning, yeah. I wanna stand with you on a mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I want to lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I want to lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. And when the stars are shining brightly in the velvet sky, I'll make a wish, send it to heaven, then make you want to cry. The tears of joy for all the pleasure and the certainty that we're surrounded by the comfort and protection of the highest power. In lonely hours, the tears you value. I wanna stand with you on a mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I want to lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain, I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I want to lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me.
Hello everybody, I'm Master Trainer Melvin. This is program Kickboxing 143. Now today I'm going to go through technique round, technique training for truly, madly, deeply. Okay, very simple track. Now we're going to stand in the front stance like this. Okay, only jab and cross, straight punches, jab, punch, straight punches. Now twist your body as you punch. Okay, punch and pull back, elbow soft, never snap your elbow. Keep it slightly bent. Power but slightly bent, slightly soft elbow. Okay, so you're going to hold the punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. Always work your core. Very simple, just the straight basic punches. Then we're going to go for knee strikes. Now knee strike, imagine you're grabbing the person by the neck, or you visualize holding his head, you pull towards you. Now when you pull towards you, your knee goes straight up into the abdominal gut. Okay, towards the gut. Pull. It's almost like rolling a boat. You see, you pull towards the hip, pull towards the hip. Side view, twist, twist. So a lot of rotation. One thing to take note, knee always point to the center, aim for the stomach. Do not go across the stomach like this. Okay, push forward. Grab, pull, alright? So only these two techniques. Okay, we'll combine them together. We're going to have 4 knees. Then we go by 8 jabs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to make it a little bit more, level up a little bit more. We'll step forward. So knee, 2, 3, 4. When it has to be punched, we go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So some arm and leg coordination involved. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jet back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it? Thank you very much. I'll see you again. This is Kickboxing Fighting.